Alright, it started recording. It's recording right now.
Class, we are going to do a Google Slides presentation so that you can collaborate in real time. You can do this through the free Gmail account you already have. So class, please open up your Gmail accounts and pull up Google Slides.
I forgot my account.
You don't remember your password, Christian? Okay. Christian, you can go to Google and you can make a free new account and that will work just as well. In our class today, we have Nicholas, who is 14 and doing everything for us on a desktop. We have Mikey, who is 16 and doing everything for us on a laptop. And we have Christian, who is 11 and he is doing everything for us on a tablet. You can also use cell phones for this. It is in both the Android in the Google Play Store, in iOS in the iStore, and in that, what is it called again, Nicholas?
The App Store.
The App Store. And it's also through Windows. So it can be used as an app on a mobile device like a tablet or a phone, or it can be used through the website on a laptop. I am the teacher, Mrs. Mariachi, and I'm doing this on a Chromebook. Nicholas, did you show us how to start up a new account?
Yes.
Okay, and you showed us how to go through your account to open up a slide presentation?
No. So you go over here. No, over here. Yeah. Oh. Click over here. Click over. How do you do that again?
What?
How do you do one of those again?
Do one of what?
We get to the slides.
Just start a new presentation.
Well, yeah. Yes. Okay, so you do new file, Google Slides.
Doesn't it just have a plus button?
No, because that's slides.google.com. I'm on drive.google.com.
Oh, so you did it through your Google Drive? What other ways are there to open it?
You would go to slides.google.com and then sign into your account there, and then you would press the plus over here.
Okay, so you can do it through Google Slides, you can do it through your Google Drive, you can be invited through Gmail, okay, and you can also do it through the app on your tablet or Android, or phone, okay? Nicholas, did you start a new slide presentation?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna choose the.
Before you do anything else, before you even choose a theme, could you do me a favor and could you invite Mikey and Christian?
Well, you gotta choose the theme first.
No, you can click the X on the upper right hand.
But why?
Of theme, please.
Okay.
Nicholas?
X. I'm gonna press cancel. Okay, that still worked. Okay. Share. Skip. People. Alright, I sent everybody in the class one.
You've sent all 3 invitations?
Yeah.
Okay. As the teacher, I also have my students invite me, and I ask them to invite me with editing privileges. Nicholas, could you talk a little bit about the privileges you invited us with?
Well, there's 3 different privileges. There's editing, which means you can do anything with the notes, the actual presentation, or you can view it. There's commenting, which means you can only edit the notes, and there's viewing, which means you can only look at it.
Okay. As a teacher, I have the kids invite me and I require them to allow me to edit, and then I can communicate with them through their slideshow presentation. They can also communicate with me through the slideshow presentation if there is something that they are concerned about, or if they have questions about if they're doing it right or if they're allowed to use something or how I want them to cite a source. And it's an easy way for us to communicate conveniently on my time frame.
Okay.
You have invited all of us?
Yeah, you're invited.
Okay, and so we can find the invitation through slides, right?
Yeah, you would go into your slides.google.com, and then you would go to a tab called Incoming, and then you would click on the presentation title.
Is it... Okay. Okay. So is it under recent presentations or?
It's in Incoming. There's a folder called Incoming.
I don't see incoming.
It's right over here.
Did you send it to me at IHT?
Yes.
You know, I'm going to check in my Gmail. Christian was able to get to his through his slides. I usually do it through Gmail. And it just says invitation to edit, and then I click on open in slides.
Okay.
So we're all in now. Okay. Nicholas, can you please show us how to save in Google Slides?
It automatically saves, so you don't need to save at all. You don't need to do that.
Excellent. I have had experiences where
Oh, I'm gonna put a star on it.
the
Star.
person who created the slide presentation wanted to delete it from their phone for various reasons, and then it gave me the option of saving it in my Google Drive. We talked about opening it. Nicholas, can you talk with us about some of the live collaboration tools, the communication tools, and the code indicators?
Yes. Okay, so up here you see Christian, Mikey, and Lori and Mariachi, and you see that the backgrounds for their names are all in a different color. So you'll see that while editing something, it'll show both their name and it'll highlight it in the color of their editing, and it also shows which slide somebody's viewing. And so you see Mikey's on this slide, and Lauren's on this slide, and Christian's on this slide. And also, another collaboration tool is the chat tool, which means you can talk to other people. So, hey, how's it going? And they can respond, and you can talk while you're working on the presentation.
Okay. Nicholas, would you please walk us through some of the basic tools? I think it's important here that we mention at this point that the mobile devices, being the tablet and the phone, on those devices, there is limited use. We can still type, we can still communicate, we can still create new slides and format them, but we cannot insert pictures. We can do shapes, but we can't really do pictures or tables. On a tablet,
Christian, you can do pictures, right?
not pictures.
No pictures on a tablet. And also there's some chat limitations on mobile devices. Some of the other basic tools are the select, which means you can just click on items and then move them around and stuff. There's the text box, which makes you allowed to add text. And you can insert images straight from your Google search, or from your URL, or from your computer, or from your Google Drive. And there are a few other ones. There's also the shapes tool. There's several shapes that you can use. Miscellaneous ones from stop signs and cubes and arrows to speech bubbles and mathematics. And there's also lines and scribble tools so you can create your own pictures. And that's most of the basic tools. Oh yeah, you can also, while drawing, you can change the fill and line color, and the line weight, and the style of the line, like if it's dashed or something.
Mikey,
What? I'm before.
Mikey,
What? I'm gonna show you how to.
Mikey.
Yeah, it's so quick. What's next, Mom?
Hold on just 1 second. I'm busy editing. The
No, you took away Urkel.
The last thing I'd like for you to do, Nicholas, is to show us, if you know how, to save our presentation as a PowerPoint.
To export it to a PowerPoint, and I think you can also do as a PDF or other popular format. Yeah. Vector graphic, images, text, or PowerPoint or PDF. And to do that, you would click on File in upper left-hand corner, Download As, and then click one of the options and then save it to your computer. Yes, that's how you would do that.
Okay, is there anything else? Boys, I would like for you to type it into the slides if it's appropriate. Anything else that you thought was neat or interesting about Google Slides, and how we can be working on them at the same time? Is there anything anybody wants to add? Christian, Mikey?
No.
All right, that's all.
Are you done, Christian?
That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Well, then, thank you. And I hope this helps you to build collaborative slide presentations.